My name's Tina Vogel. I work with children with special needs. Being paralyzed, I have a lot of pain, and so I have to like decrease the inflammation, so don't eat foods that have inflammation in it. These products from Organifi give me energy I need for when it's, when I start my day. Starting the day, working with, who are patient, a kiddo who I'm working with, I don't get like that slumped, fatigued, tired feel. All the superfoods that are in Organifi, like just magnifies my ability to work throughout the whole day and not feel sluggish and tired. And they have like the red juice, which kind of helps increase metabolism. It kind of keeps me going throughout the whole day. And then there's gold juice, which I love because you can drink it at like 8:30 at night and you're in bed like right away, like you want to go to bed. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'm like refreshed and you feel like a brand new person. I use Organifi's products each day. The green juice, and I do the gold juice at night, and then I have the complete chocolate all-in-one protein drink. So I do that for breakfast, and it's not like, it doesn't have whey in it, so it has like pea protein, quinoa protein, and pumpkin protein, which are plant-based, because dairy causes inflammation, and I don't need inflammation, as you could, being in the paralysis state. 100% I would recommend Organifi to other people, because if they only knew that like all these drinks, how it could help you like in the morning when it detoxifies you from all the bad stuff that you ate the night before, it just kind of like resets your body. And then the gold juice for sure, it helps you, put you to sleep like that, and you don't need a sleeping pill. And the red juice kind of helps like boost your metabolism and keeps you energized for the whole day.